we're doing this. It's very windy out, so I'm only doing one at a time, but I got like 4 different bottles, so let's do this. Pixie sticks and pop. Yeah, this one's overdue, so let's just add 2 pixie sticks. See what happens first time. I'll bring it up close to you guys so you can see. I don't need these all. Gah! Should have these pre-cut like a good YouTuber. So guys, here we go. It's chemical reaction. It's thinking about it, guys. Well, that's dud. I added too much, I think. Stupid, let's leave it there and see what happens. Oh, let's go with some cockapoos. We'll just add 1 this time. Just add a little bit. There we go. Oh. Add a little more juice to it. That we add a little more juice. Yeah, some more juice. Then we dump some more in there. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, it's not working. It's trying. Oh, dang nabbit. We'll see what happens with him. But I got something big planned. Big. So let's get some blue. Since it's a red pop, we'll just dunk a little bit. No? Well, who needs that? Now, let's try the big one. I'm gonna drink a little bit of this, and then I'm gonna dump a whole pixie stick in there and then put the lid back on. Yeah, guys, brand new pop. Let's just see what happens. Oh, you're not gonna work, see? We got methods making you blow up. That tighter. No, you're not gonna blow up? Well then, let's add more pixie sticks. Oh, look, see? Look. Let's see what happens when we add 2 pixie sticks. Yeah, let's go, guys. So much for the pop challenge. So I even get the danger, close fire. Ah! Put the lid on. Put it on. Let's see what happens when we smack it on the ground a few times. Shake it around. Ah, dumb. Gah. Okay, guys, we're gonna try mixing them. Put 3 in the dad's blue cream soda. We'll see what happens. Okay. Let's add some more. Oh yeah, son. Get it in there. You seriously not gonna do anything? I just paid money for you. Look at him. You're doing nothing. Ah! Dumb. Let's try the cockapoo. Add a little more. I can't feel my fingers. It's really cold outside. Just dump the whole thing. Just put the pixie stick in there. Ah! Get in there. Ah! Ah! Well, that didn't work. So what we're gonna do is just eat this pixie stick that's half open. Ew. It's got something in it. thanks guys for watching. Thank you for 25 subscribers. We'll let you guys know what happens. We're gonna figure out what to do with this guy. Yeah, see? But thanks guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. Guys, there's this little disclaimer. I read one at the beginning of the video, but just want to tell you guys, don't do this at home, because if I use that pot for something else, and when I did it in my room, I spilled it everywhere. Like, it's all over there. It filled up my trash can. So yeah, don't try this at home, guys. I am a trained professional. So guys, yeah, don't try this at home. But you can, as long as parents are around, you know, or you're old and like in your 90s, like me. But thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm doing some more videos this weekend. I'm gonna do another challenge video with the Bean Boozled. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I want to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Hopefully, you guys can make that happen with my help. Wait, or is it me with your help? But I'll find out at the end. Thanks, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.